How to fix Morgan Stanley Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Morgan Stanley Bank if you are getting a login problem. So first and foremost thing you gotta make sure is check if you have a stable internet connection or not. Now if you do not have a stable internet connection, Morgan Stanley Bank app will not work, as it is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or a data connection. Now second thing you gotta do is make sure you are entering your correct credentials, such as your username and your password. Now even if you enter one of them wrong, you will not be able to log in, which may be the reason for your login problem. So just to make sure, you can try resetting your username or your password, whichever one you have even the slightest of doubt. Now third you can do is basically update the Morgan Stanley Bank app if it needs an update, as sometimes if the app is not updated to the latest version, some of the features and fixes will not work, causing your login problem. Now if you are an Android device, you can basically try to clear the cache memory of your app, or if you are on your iPhone, you can basically try to uninstall and reinstall the app entirely. Now doing so in most of the cases will fix the problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.